The Netherlands is one of the best countries in the world to live in. It has a strong economy, and some of the world's best DJs were born here. There's only one downside. It rains 145 days a year.
At Google, we solved this problem by repurposing Holland's old windmills, using them not to capture wind, but to generate it. To pull this off, we needed to build a better understanding of the weather. We used Google Cloud Platform to predict how clouds will behave. We then connected all 1,170 windmills in Holland to prevent bad weather from happening.
Let's take it for a spin.
Machine learning enables all the mills to collaborate. Of course, we need some rain now and then. With Google Wind, we can also decide when and where it rains. So Google Wind is able to keep clear skies any season.
Mensen, zon, zon en nog eens zon. Net als de rest van het jaar.
I'm proud to announce that from April 1st, we're able to guarantee clear skies for everyone.